up, guys? Welcome back to another vlog. Well, another video. This is gonna be part 2, the G8. I haven't seen the car. All I've seen was pictures of the car, but I haven't seen it in person. So right now I'm gonna go pick up my boy. We're gonna go pick up my hood and my front bumper because my friend is gonna, my boy at the shop, he's gonna, ooh, look, a G8. My boy at the shop, he's gonna fix my front bumper because it's really bad right now, and he's gonna fix my hood. I ordered some fenders, and I'm just waiting on that to come in so he could. It's called Cuadral. He's gonna fix the front, have all the gaps on nice and stuff. So when I first got the car, it was crashed. It wasn't the best fitment, but they look good, you know, like I never complained about it. It looked pretty good. Yeah, it's time to fix it, to be honest. Since I'm doing all this work, might as well get the whole thing A1. But yeah, huge shout out to my boys at that shop though. They go crazy. If you need any body work, please hit them up. Like, I've had a lot of people hit me up about body work, and I've been sending them that way. But yeah, stay tuned. I'm don't skip none of the video. Just keep watching. This is my first time seeing the car, and I'm excited. And right now, like I said, picking up my boy, and we're gonna go ahead and go pick all those things up. Yeah, stay tuned, stay tuned. ¿Qué están haciendo? Working?
Andamos trabajando duro.
Ajá. I'm vlogging today. Voy a mirar el carro hoy.
Sí.
Yeah, para YouTube. ¿Y cierto? OCS. Vine por el bumper. Ahí está todavía.
Ahí está, güey.
¿O ya lo vendieron?
Ahí está, güey. Aquí atrás que lo miré. Está esperando, pásale.
Yeah, we're right here at OCS. This is my sponsor for audio, alarm, tent, wraps, everything you need. They do upholstery too. So if you need anything, tap in with my guys. Yeah. I have my bumper here. Look how whooped it looks. Oh my god. So yeah, it looks pretty ugly. Before I wrapped it, I got it painted and all the freaking paint came off. So yep, time to fix this. We just got the bumper. Gotta put it in the Jeep. Hopefully the hood fits in there. I don't even think it's gonna fit in there, but hopefully the hood fits in there and stuff. But yep, bumper's in there. Time to go get the hood. So we're pulling up, and my hood is right here. So we better take this. It got like a little thing on it right here, but I'm not tripping. My boy's gonna get me right, like always. Yeah, I'm gonna put this in the Jeep. Hopefully it fits. We're gonna see right now. I don't even know how, but got the hood and the bumper in here. Good truck. Psych. Good SUV. Gotta get some snacks real quick. This fool trying to stop everywhere. Douglas. Oh yeah, we got everything in there. Put a little bit of some gas. You already know. But yeah, we're on our way. A little quick stop at Loop. What's up, bro?
What's up?
Brought me a side skirt with no clips. Oh hell no, this scammed me.
You got 2, 3, 4.
This look crazy, I ain't gonna lie. This looks like a car finally. So door opens. So I brought the bumper, hood, and glass, the back glass. So obviously they put the glass in the back. But damn, man, this thing looks crazy. So yeah, the front, it's gonna get worked on. That's why it's all completely off. We're gonna be doing that. So the whole car could be A1. And then he also did the door jambs, so it doesn't look like, so it doesn't look ugly, you know. He did the door. When you open it, it's nice because it used to be a burgundy door, as you can tell. Yeah. See it? It look like a car now. We put the little side skirt on there. Back window. Yeah. Gotta put the toys real quick. Damn.
Hey, but why do you have that there though? Oh,
just for fun?
Just for fun? Oh, okay. Never mind. I got you. Say later.
Oh, it's cool. What GA has that?
Huh?
What GA has that?
That's what I was asking myself too when I seen it. I'm like, wait, is this a truck or a G8?
Oye, nos vemos. Muchas gracias, eh. Shout out to my boy Junior, man. Got me right. For real, for real.
Make your dreams come true?
Yeah. Hey, for real, for real. Yeah, the right way, though. The right way.
Little things here and there, bro. But, I mean, I don't know if you said the video that I posted. Like, I'm just like, bro, like, they get totaled for a reason.
Yeah.
And, I mean, at that point, when if you want to bring it 100% back, chop the car in half.
Yeah.
At that point, it's like, bro, get another shell.
Yeah.
I mean, the old schools I understand because we had a 78 one time.
Yeah.
With a holes in the quarter panel and everything in the front with all the numbers were original.
Yeah.
The guy was like, bro, I can't get rid of this shit.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Because when he bought another one, we split it in half and we welded it.
Yeah.
In the half. I was like, what? My dad did that and I was like, damn.
Crazy, yeah.
Yeah, and then it's over there somewhere hopping around. It hasn't broken.
That's good. It hasn't split in half.
It hasn't split in half.
Let's see if the quarter panel doesn't fall off.
Hey, mine hasn't fell off yet. Hey, bro. That thing is there.
Yeah.
Hit a fat rollback and it's still there.
Oh. No bondo. Huh.
No bondo, brother.
For the people saying that it got hella bondo, we bundled the whole quarter pan.
It's right there.
It's a little bit, but
that's
not
not
like.
even bondo.
Oh, what is this?
So like that's probably for I mean if it was painted before or factory sealer and then esa cosa la pintura.
Oh, yeah.
That's not bondo, bro. Can't see, look, show him that one over there.
Oh yeah, he's doing this one right now.
Don't show him the road. They probably look that good.
Damn. Didn't y'all just get this today? I think they just got this today or something. But yeah, look, another quarter panel. Bruh, I'm telling y'all, if y'all need any work, hit on my boy. Look at this ugly fool. So bro, the famous guy himself.
Yeah, man, fix your shit so we can get that camera going.
Yeah. Then when y'all get that one?
Hey, what? I heard somebody told me you were coming by. What's up, bro? You do, Junior. Hey, you needed
You bring
something?
shit back.
Look at that. But yeah, like I said, waiting on the fenders. Brand new fenders coming in. That's a brand new radiator sport. They're gonna fix my front bumper. They're gonna fix my hood. They're gonna align the car. So this car's gonna stay. I was gonna take it, but might as well just do the whole thing since it's here, you know. Where can they find you at, bruh?
Southside, 3550 La Grande Boulevard.
Yep. And what about IG?
Gaonas, so it's GAONAS _ ABP.
Okay. Car staying. Yeah, I even put the little gas cap. Yeah, this gonna be done soon. So I'm back. It's another day. Right now, I woke up a little early. Today I'm waiting for the fenders to come in. Had to come to the shop because they're getting delivered here. And then we're gonna go ahead and go back to the shop today to take the fenders so they can start working on the front end. But yeah, it's a little quick update. This is still the same video, different day though. It's been a couple days already. It's been like 5 days since I've been at the shop, or 6, something like that. But yeah, I'm gonna just wait on that and we're gonna hit the road again. Stay tuned. Like I said, don't skip the video. The car is done, but I'm gonna add more things to the process because, you know, it's just, might as well do it now that the car is apart, you know. As soon as I go drop this off, I'm about to start editing this video and I'm gonna drop it as soon as I can because I know you guys have been waiting for part 2, but might as well extend it a little bit more, get like a little bit more footage out of it. But yeah, see you guys in a bit. What, bro? So you see the FedEx truck? Yeah, that means my parts are here. Oh, finally. Do this here. That's both of them right there? Big box, huh? Let me see. Thank you. Vladimir? Right on. Yeah. Bro, they fit in there? 2 of them? 2 of them. Let's see. Gotta unbox it real quick. I seen that some dude got one damaged. I'm gonna be pissed.
Where they at?
Don't tell me that.
Only one.
Bruh? Bruh. You telling me I paid for one? Hell no. So I got scared because I ordered 2 and only one arrived, but the other one comes tomorrow, so I'm gonna have to wait until tomorrow. That one's a little bent, so I'm kind of mad, but Soto said it's okay. He could repair it.
No.
Yeah, so we're gonna wait until tomorrow, and I mean, you know, what can I do? Gotta just wait, get it fixed. Right, Checho? All right, cool. Nice city, bro. Can I get one, bro? All right, cool. The new thing, I'm finna make another video on this. It's another day. We're taking the fenders. The other one came in, but we're gonna take this one in the morning. But yeah, I'll catch you guys in the morning when we're on the way to take the fenders. But yeah, I just wanted to update you guys. See it. Well, I just woke up and it's time to hit the road. So right now we're gonna go drop off the fenders, which are right here. We're gonna drop off the new fenders. We're like an hour and 25 minutes away. Basically, I'm gonna drop off the fenders and hopefully they could get to my car soon. I don't know how busy they are, but yeah, shout out to them. Like I said, I'm like an hour and 25 minutes away, so I'm gonna get to you guys. Well, for you guys, it's gonna be a second. I'm gonna show you the car a little bit more. Pariente! I'm gonna have my boy Junior record. I'm gonna have him record like some of the process because obviously he's pretty far. I'm gonna have him record some of the process, so whatever, well, I don't see, I'm not gonna see a lot of the work being done, you know. So I'm gonna have him record whatever he can and I'm gonna put in the video. But that's gonna be until next video. Next video should be the video I'm picking the car up. But yeah, I'll see you guys in a little bit. I know a lot of you guys aren't from my area, so it's San Francisco right there. It's a dope view right here. If you want, do me a favor. I'm pretty interested in the people who watch me, you know, on a daily basis. I get a lot of messages that people actually watch my videos, but I want to know where you guys are from. So if you can, drop a comment and let me know where you're from, what city. I'm from the Bay. Pulling up right here around the corner. That was fast for you guys, huh? Man, that took me hella long. So we just got here. That boy Junior right there. But yeah, they fixed my hood already. Sheesh. It just needs wrap.
He was just waiting for those things, and then
Yeah, I was waiting for the fenders.
we're gonna swap it out, put that up here, and he's gonna start going at it. I think he's probably gonna touch it after he welds his.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So the fenders are here. Car hella dusty. We'll be back. Steering the kit. So yeah, they better get this thing A1. They better have my friend in all straight, cause it's all messed up. But yeah. But yeah, stay tuned for the next vlog. This is the end of part 2. I was just waiting on these so they could get started. Might as well put everything together in one video. So I have one more video left to do, which is gonna be pickup. So that's gonna be part 3. So yeah, stay tuned, guys. Make sure you go down there, like and subscribe, all that good stuff. But yeah, shout out to my guy right here, man. For real, for real. But yeah, guys, I'll see you guys in the next one.